Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Fortnightly chat with Jeff. Good morning, Jeff.
Morning. It's been a bit longer than Fortnightly.
It has actually, yes. Our life is ticking away. We're the 18th of September already, OMG. So I think we were talking about the last time we did do a chat was the 21st of August, which took us back to this nice big green day. So we've been going down for the last few weeks, but we are holding the 9,000 level, which is kind of good. If it can hold that, then we're happy. So, that's where we're on the leaderboards. Nerve-wracking time. All right, we thought we'd go through our watch list of what we've been watching over the past few months. We've add and delete, and then we've done another scan today to see if we can add some more to our watch list. So, right, Jeff, fire away. What's first?
4DS.
Oh, 4DS, bless it.
I'm just going to wipe that one completely.
That's a good idea. Keeps having announcements and they're bad. All right, so we're deleting 4DS. There's nothing to talk about on that one.
No, next one is ARL.
Oops, ARL.
Which has probably gone sideways a little bit, but I think it's still looking good.
It is looking good. I think we go back to the 21st of August. It's this green candle. Well done, us. It's then moved sideways, which is great. Had a big pop out of a tiny wee ascending triangle. Retraced back to the breakout and now having another go. So, all right, let's be a little bit more technical about this. Let's draw a line across here. Yes, I'm cutting that off, yes. We're seeing, I don't know if I'm making something out of nothing here, but let's just put that there. We're definitely seeing higher lows and resistance. So, yeah, it'd be nice to see a break of 53.5, I think.
Yes, if you were conservative, I'd probably put some stops in and put them in just under the 50 or...
Yes, well, that would be that line there. Absolutely, yep, 100%. Yeah, that's not too bad. That's 6 months, sorry, probably doing a bit more analysis on this than I should. It does look really good the more you put more data in. Looks very good.
Yep.
So, yeah, it could be the start of a new uptrend. Like, we'll keep that in our watch list. Good.
Right, next one is AZY.
Okay, that's filled the gap over here and retracing as you would expect. People would call this a cup and saucer. I think you were talking about wanting to remove this one. You're not that fussed on it now.
No, I'm not that fussed on it, but we might keep it to see whether I'm right or wrong.
Yeah.
But I personally would take it out. It looks to me as though it's retracing a bit more.
Yes, it's not showing a lot of sign of strength. The only thing is, ABB's sort of dipping but holding. Anyway, I think I'd like to keep this on as well, because if these things retrace a bit and then decide to break through, off she goes.
Keep that one. Next one is DTR, and I think if you're in this, you'd probably stay in it. I don't think I'd get into it at the moment unless it went sideways.
Yeah, it needs to consolidate for a while at this level. So perfect buyback on the 12th of August. We had another opportunity. I think we did talk about this stock. When was it? The 21st, which was back here. So yes, it had moved and it still keep going. My friend was in this when it decided to shoot up on this day, and he had a great deal of pleasure in telling me about it. I was very happy for him.
I'd like to ask him about his losses.
So now, watching it so I can be on it too. All right.
We'll keep that.
Yep.
Next one, FME, which I still like. On balance, volume strong. It's gone sideways. I think if you were wanting to get in, a break at 22.
Yeah, up here. Yeah, definitely. I feel it needs some news. Needs some good drilling results. Yes. All right. Definitely keep on it. We'll keep it on the list to see what happens.
Okay. MAN is the next one, which is probably very similar. It looks pretty close to the same as the previous.
Yes. Yes, it's not bad. There is definite resistance at 2.4, so probably look at a break at 2.425, the round number. Let's just say 2.5.
Okay, we'll keep that one.
Yep.
And SGH. which is retraced. So
we're seeing lots of lower highs, lower lows there. Except for this last one, 11th of September, but I'm not, I want to take this one off. I feel like it's in a downtrend.
Okay, we'll get rid of that one.
All right.
Next one, VMM, which is looking good. Very good.
It does look nice. I like that one too. Nice move up, consolidating nicely. $1.50 is a bit of an issue, which is you'd expect.
Yeah, it has had a huge run from 40 odd cents.
Down here,
but,
yeah.
If you're conservative, $1.50.
Yep. Yeah, bringing in more data. Well, it has potential really to keep going. So I think even a close above $1.50 would give you a bit of encouragement, a bit of confidence. Confidence is the word I'm looking for.
Okay, we'll keep that then till next time.
Yeah.
WDS.
Oh, poor old Woodside was looking the goods. Loving this move here, and it's just fallen away. And I haven't been following it to see what the news is on Woodside, but clearly it's not exciting.
No, but some people buy this in the lows and then sell in the highs, and it might be getting to a low where it's worthwhile. There's a lot of resistance at that 23.
True, that is very true. Good spotting. Yes.
So
that is true.
If it went too much lower, would you get in?
Oh, I can't do it. I'm such a breakout girl. The problem with me is I buy the dips, but they keep dipping.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to remove that one because unless we get some sort of news, it's not doing a lot.
Yeah, no.
And the last one is YAL.
Oh, good old YAL. Yeah, it's also had some bad. I think the dividend was going to be a bit less than what the market anticipated, so it crashed, and now it's got to regroup and decide to do some work. From a technical point of view, I think you wanted to remove it. Is that right?
I did because I'd want to see it go sideways for a bit before it fills the gap and that sort of thing. So if it goes sideways, then you can decide whether you want to get in at $5.60 or something, $5.60.
Yeah, it's got a lot of work to do. I'd probably be even more inclined to wait for it to get up to this where it gapped down to break, and it's only a small gap. There's not a lot in it. Yeah, it needs a lot of work to do. Yes.
Okay, so we'll remove that one.
All right.
And that was it on the last cast that we had.
All right, so that was our watch list. So what we did before is just went into Pro Trader Scans, Guru's Toolbox, which is that one there, high, low scan. We did that, we got 13 results, and of that 13, we've gone through and decided which ones look the best to go through with you.
Okay, the first one was BET.
Bet. Yeah, that looks nice.
There's not a lot out there. On balance, volume's good. If you were getting in now, I'd probably want to wait till it broke to 20 cents.
Yes, 20 cents or close above it for sure. It has done a bit, so maybe a bit of sideways move might be nice or a bit of a retracement to go back. So, but 20 cents is, I would say, the level you'd want to be watching. Yep, bet. Okay.
And next one is C29.
C29. Oh, this is for all the pennies out there, penny dreadfuls out there who love a bit of a.
Well, I like this because
bit of a flutter.
You know me, I like the penny dreadfuls.
Yes.
I would get into this probably even now.
Yes.
There's a lot of gaps in the chart, even at 5 cents, right up at 9 cents.
Yeah.
So that might be wishful thinking, but in the short term, it looks as though it's going to climb.
It looks positive. It's pretty tightly held. I mean, not a lot goes through it. However, there's not many out there, which is a bit advantageous as well. Yeah. Okay, so we'll add that to our list.
Yep. CLG.
Close the loop. Okay, definite line across 50, let's go 58 cents, but then you've got that where it gapped down to. All right, so, okay. All right, I'm going to call it. It's 6 cents. It gap down there. It's trying hard to get through it. Gets through 6 cents. It would look great.
Yeah, I like it. It's just about at all-time lows,
Yep.
even over the last 5 years.
Yep.
And a lot of gaps, you know. The plus side is the 15, 22.
Yeah, up here you've got these gaps here. Yeah. Yes, it could be the time for the ship to turn around.
Could very well be.
Yes, we'll add that. Good.
And the next one, oops, no, I went backwards instead of forwards. IS3.
Okay, get another. Oh, this really is in the gutter. It's not even a cent. How did we miss that? Okay, so that's all right. There's not a lot goes through it. 1.7 billion. There is sort of a few out there. Begs the question why not much. This clearly needs some news.
Yeah. I think in this area, and I've learned over the past that these ones that I get into, you've got to be brave because they go backwards fairly quick.
Yes, and I would encourage to see what the depth looks like on this. But it's where I actually want to watch it because these can be quite exciting.
Okay, we'll leave that one in.
Yeah.
Next one is PTN finale.
Oh, okay. Oh, I remember. Yes, this came up, and I had it on a 6-month chart, and this was such a nice resistance at 7.1. It has been moving sideways. Let's put it on 2 years. Okay, 5 years. Has been moving sideways for an extremely long time, back to December 23. But it's showing to me signs of life in that ABV is starting to pick up. It's pushing its head up quite convincingly. If it can break 7.1 and then come and sit back on top of that resistance to make it support would be quite nice.
Well, I think the unbalanced volume has been increasing for the last 12 months, so it's sort of, that looks good.
Yeah. But if you were buying that, I'd be putting in some pretty tight stops though.
Yeah, I'd probably wait for a close of 7.5.
Okay, before you got in?
Before I got in.
Yeah, all right, then that's a fair call, which is up there.
You're giving it a bit, but
no.
I'd much rather it be rising.
Be a bit more conservative,
Okay, we'll keep that one.
Yep.
Next one, TVN finale.
TVN. Let's go back to 1 year. Oh, yeah, okay, I can see why we did that. Again, the same. 2 billion out there. It's a 10-cent stock.
On-balance volume's all right. It has gone sideways for a bit, but I'd probably wait for a close above 12, maybe even 13.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. I had it on 12. Yeah, put that across there. It's moved sideways. You've had a low down here, or looks like the 8 cents, which it's been hitting, and now it's kind of got a higher low. It can break through there. It could turn into something.
Could do.
Yeah, all right, we'll add that and see how we go.
That was the last one, isn't it?
Okay, all right. Well, there's a few to look at. Just a few ones that I haven't spoken to Jeff about, but just some points of reference of some that I've looked at this week. SRJ caught my eye earlier this week. It's had a move, and I love this pattern where you've got rising OBV, lots of volume, and then the volume completely drops off, but OBV stays solid. This could be quite fun to watch. And the other one is QML. Had a nice sideways move. It's very slow, but big OBV, big volume. So just another one that I'm watching.
The volume's increased just in the last few days.
Yeah, it has. Yeah. So I'll just be curious to see what these little ones do.
Okay, I will put those down as well.
Awesome.
All right.
Sweet.
And hopefully we'll see you in 2 weeks.
In
not
2
4
weeks, I know, far out. Yes, in 2 weeks. That'd be great. All right. Thanks, Jeff. Chat to you soon.
Okay, bye.
Bye.